Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix PrizePicks identify verification issues. Having trouble verifying your identify on PrizePicks? So here's how to fix it. First of all, you have to check personal details. Click on PrizePicks. You have to check for your personal details. Ensure your name, date of birth, and address match exactly as they appear on your government issued ID. You have to improve your ID photo. Take a new clear photo in good lighting. If your current ID photo is blurry, use valid ID. Use a government issued ID such as driver's license or passport. Ensure no mismatched account and contact PrizePicks support. If issues persist, contact PrizePicks support through their app. And then try sign up again or log in if you already had an account. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. And after everything is done correctly, you can claim your bonus from here. So see you in the next video.